It is amazing that the ideas that have taken hold in the last 50 years, creative, clever, innovative, and problem-solving innovations have become significant parts of our daily lives. We cannot go a day without our smart devices, medical devices, and 3D printers, etc. In this video, I will talk about 5 inventions that changed the world. But before that, if you like this video, please consider subscribe and press the bell icon. It means a lot. Number 1. Time. Technically, time is both a discovery and an invention. Time as the fourth coordinate of an event along with length, width, and height is a natural feature of the universe. But time as a standardized unit of measurement based on arbitrary human value is an invention, and it's an important invention too. Number 2. Space travel. Thus far, space travel has provided humanity with two great gifts: scientific information about our solar neighborhood and symbolic triumphs. But any astrophysicist, futurist, or cosmologist will tell you that space travel will end up giving us more. So much more, in fact, that it is likely to go down in history as the single biggest step our species has ever taken. Number 3. Machine learning. For better or worse, machine learning is going through a renaissance at the moment, and it is beginning to affect our lives in a huge way. We all know that computers store and sort huge amount of data, but machine learning is the process by which computers use that data to create their own data. Computers analyze our data strands independently, adapt to it, and produce their own interpretations. Number 4. Internet. If knowledge is power, then humanity is more powerful than ever, at least in terms of access. The internet took the information dissemination of the printing press and cranked it up exponentially. Now the 50 to 70% of the world's population with internet access can learn anything at any time, as much or as little as they want. Math has yielded many benefits to humanity, and it is hard to overstate. There are almost no major areas of society that math hasn't either improved or outright created. Without math, there is no measurement, engineering, or physics. And that means no medicine, architectures, advanced technology, or computation. That's it in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.